So this is Upper Govind Nagar. We came outside and it's a fabulous society with so much greenery, trees alongside everywhere. That's what it is. A lovely posh locale and a locality, and that's what the area is all about. Revamped and completely new, with newer buildings and fabulous roads. Let's go and have a look at the building and the apartment. We're seeing a 2 BHK in this one, Millennium Garden, a very well maintained society and about 20 years old, really in a pristine condition, brilliant. We've got parking space as well inside, open parking, couple of wings in there. This is Upper Govind Nagar, posh and a great locale with plenty of buildings around. Have a look. It's a nice quiet lane with a lot of greenery, dotted and streamlined with greenery everywhere. And that's the entrance of Upper Govind. Let's go and have a look at this 2 BHK. So that's a side angle from the side. That's a Millennium Garden A and B wing. We're in the middle floor. We're seeing a 2 BHK, bright, sunny, airy and well lit. And this one, a side view was essential to show you how the building looks. We're seeing a 2 BHK, approx 725 square feet carpet area, Millennium Garden, Malad East. That's a living space. Before we enter, we only got 2 apartments per floor and 2 elevators per floor. So it becomes an individual elevator for each apartment. That's how private it becomes. A lovely, great apartment, 725 square feet, roughly that much carpet area without the extension. So the sellers have left this one for extension for the new buyer. If you want to take it forward and further, 150 square feet can be added in the entire apartment. It's a lovely posh locality and an amazing locale. Semi-furnished apartment. You got a staircase here, and that's what it is. Brilliant. A little bit of wooden work. The dining. So if you want to keep it, you can. Otherwise, the sellers can take it. That's your one of the bedrooms with the proper unit done with the storage and the wardrobe and the study. Have a look, it's nice. So even here you can extend a bit. It's a middle floor and it's on a hill, so it's on a steep hill, so it gives you a view of higher floor view. That's what it is. Lovely. That's a living space. Now let's go and see what we have here. Is another bedroom with the attached bathroom. So the wood is here already, the wooden stuff, the bed and wardrobes, similar to what we saw in the other bedroom and similar to what we saw elsewhere. You can extend it right till the end, even from the kitchen side. Brilliant. Quiet and peaceful area as well. Attached bathroom. So this has been going on rent and it's fetching good rent. So these are the investors who are putting on rent, and right now they want to liquidate it. And that's more storage up here with a console and this little bit of drawers. That's a kitchen, basic normal kitchen with good enough drawers, working, proper condition, functional in every way, shape or form. Have a look at the area here as well for the wash and the dry, and good storage space above. And what I want to show you is more space here. So if you go to see, you can really do the more of extension and make a nice dry and utility area. So it's been underutilized and underused. Refrigerator can come there, and that's a common bathroom. Nice big one that is. Even this space is there for you to use. So you can do a lot of stuff and play with the space the way you like. This is 2 BHK Millennium Garden at Upper Govind Nagar. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this, holla at me guys. Cheers.